Good morning, student. Today we start the chapter number 6, triangle and its property. First we learn about the triangle. We already learned in polygons. What is triangle? A polygon having three side closed figure. A polygon having three side closed figure is called triangle. See, the figure of ABC is a triangle. In that AB side, BC is also side and AC is also side. It has three sides, side AB, side BC and side AC. Then it has also three angles, angle A, angle B and angle C. In that, and it has also three vertex, vertex A, vertex B and vertex 3. So simple, triangle is a three-side closed figure. Now we learn about the types of triangle. See, the types of triangle. Triangle are divided on the basis of side and on the basis of angle. The types of angle is two types. First, on the basis of sides, on the basis of angle. First we see on the basis of side. It has also three parts. First is a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle having all sides are same or equal. Equilateral triangle having all sides are same. See the example. In that triangle A, B, C and all sides are same measurement. Next one is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, iso means two. Means in that two sides are same. See in the figure A, B, C. In that AB is equal to AC. In that two sides are same. AB is equal to AC. It is known as isosceles triangle. And last one is scalene triangle. Scalene means all sides are different. See A, B, C. The measurement of AB is different from measurement of BC and also measurement of AC. In that figure, all the measurement of three sides are different. First, equilateral triangle, all sides are same. Second, isosceles triangle, in that two sides are same. And scalene triangle, in that all sides are different. Now we will discuss about on the basis of angles. First one is a acute angle triangle. In acute angle triangle, all angles is less than 90 degree. See figure ABC. In that all these three angles is less than 90 degree. That time you have to say that this is a acute angle triangle. Second one, obtuse angle triangle. In that one of the angle is greater than 90 degree. Means one of the angle is measured greater than 90 degree. That time you have to say this is a obtuse angle triangle. And last one is a right angle triangle. In that one of the angle is accurate 90 degree is known as right angle triangle. See, this is a right angle triangle sign. Acute angle triangle, all angles are less than 90 degree. Obtuse angle triangle, one of the angle is greater than 90 degree. And right angle triangle, one of the triangle is accurate 90 degree. This is the classification of triangle. Now we discuss about the median. What is a median? A median is a line segment. A median is a line segment joining the vertex of the triangle. Joining the vertex of the triangle to the midpoint of the opposite side. To the midpoint of the opposite side. Say triangle ABC. In that vertex A. From vertex A line join the opposite side into two equal halves. a line drawn from the vertex to the opposite side of the triangle, and this opposite side are divided into two equal halves. That means AD is a median. Similarly, B is also a vertex, a line segment joining the vertex to the opposite side, and opposite side are divided into two equal halves. Then this line is known as median. So BD is also median. Similarly, C is a vertex joining a line segment to the opposite side of triangle. Then this line are divided into two equal halves. That means CF is also median. Any line draw from the vertex to opposite side and opposite side divided into two equal halves, that time this line is known as a median. Now we discuss about the altitude. Altitude means height. A line segment drawn from the vertex of triangle perpendicular to the opposite side. What is the perpendicular? To form a 90 degree. See, in triangle ABC, AL is a altitude because AL is from the 90 degrees. See, this is a 90 degree symbol. That means AL is a altitude. A line segment join opposite side AC. This name is M. This is also altitude. See, a vertex tree, any line segment join from this point C. This name is N. So Cn is also altitude. Any line segment drawn from the vertex of a triangle perpendicular to opposite side, that time it is known as altitude. Most important, you have to see the 90 degree symbol. If you see the 90 degree symbol, that time you directly say AL is a altitude.
Now we start the exercise number 6.1. Question number 1. In triangle PQR, D is a midpoint of segment QR. PM is a blank, PD is blank. Is MQ is equal to MR? Then given OD and DR is equal. PM is a altitude and PD is a median. No, QM is not equal to MR because D is a midpoint of QR. See the question number 2. Draw a rough sketch for the following. First one, a triangle ABC, B is a median. See, here B is a median in triangle ABC. AE is equal to EC. Here PQ and PR are the altitude of the triangle PQR and RP is perpendicular to QP. See, similarly third one, YL is the altitude of the exterior of triangle XYZ. See the question number 3. Verify by drawing a diagram if the median and the altitude of isosceles triangle can be same. Answer. Isosceles triangle means any two sides are same. Take a triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle and draw AB is equal to AC and AL is a median and altitude of a given triangle.
Now we discuss about the exterior angle property of a triangle. An exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angle. See, ABC is a triangle. In that ACD is a exterior angle. What is the statement? Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. See, this ACD is a exterior angle. In that angle A and angle B is opposite angle. That means the sum of angle A and B is equal to the angle of ACB. Now we start the exercise number 6.2. Let's see problem number first one. In that figure, we have to find the exterior angle is x and the interior opposite angle is given 70 and 50. Write first. X is equal to 50 degree plus 70 degree. Exterior angle property, then x is equal to 120 degree. You got it? That's very simple. The sum of these two we get the exterior angle. In second, say in second example, x is equal to 65 degree plus 45 degree. Write exterior angle property, then x is equal to 110 degree. Right? 30 degree plus 40 degree is equal to x. Exterior angle property, then x is equal to 70 degree. Similarly, the next three is a homework for C. The second question, in that you have to find the value of x. Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior angle. That means 115 degree is equal to 50 plus x. In 115 degree minus 50 degree is equal to x. See, in right hand side 50 in plus, we have to shift in left hand side, get minus. Then difference is, therefore x is equal to 65 degree. Then see the next one. Exterior angle is equal to sum of interior angle. That means 100 degree is equal to 70 degree plus x. Then 100 minus 70 is equal to x. Then x is equal to 30 degree. Then third one, exterior angle is equal to sum of interior angle, opposite angle, interior opposite angle. Then 125 degree is equal to x plus 90 degree. 125 minus 90 degree is equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to 35 degree. Now, we learn about the angle sum property of triangle. The angle sum property of triangle is 180. The total measure of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. See, triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. That means the sum of the three interior angle is 180 degree. Now we start exercise number 6.3. See, in the triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, by angle sum property of triangle is 180 degree. Then angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Then x plus 60 degree plus 50 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then x plus 110 degree is equal to 180 degree. Then x is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree. Then x is equal to 70 degree. Now we get the value of x is 70 degree. Similarly, in second one, in triangle PQR, by angle sum property of triangle is 180 degree. Then angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degree. Then 90 degree plus 30 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Then sum of these two, 120 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Then x is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree. Then x is equal to 60 degree. Then in last, in triangle XYZ, by angle addition property, by angle sum property of triangle is 180 degree. Then angle x plus angle y plus angle z is equal to 180 degree. Then 30 degree plus 110 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Then sum of these two is 140 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Then x is equal to 180 degree minus 140 degree. Then x is equal to 40 degree.
See the question number second one. In that we have to find the value of x and y. 50 plus x is equal to 120. External angle property of a triangle. Then x is equal to 120 minus 50 is equal to 70. Now 50 plus x plus y is equal to 180, angle sum property of triangle. Then 50 plus 70 is equal to y is equal to 180. 120 plus y is equal to 180. Therefore y is equal to 180 minus 120, we get 60. Then we get the value of x is equal to 70 degree and y is equal to 60 degree. The question number 2, y is equal to 80 degree, vertically opposite angle. Now 50 plus x plus y is equal to 180 degree, angle addition property of triangle implies 50 plus 80 plus y is equal to 180 degree. Then 130 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. Therefore y is equal to 180 minus 130, we get 50 degree. Therefore the value of x is 50 degree and y is equal to 80 degree. See the question number 3. 50 plus 60 is equal to x, exterior angle property. Therefore x is equal to 110 degree. Now 50 plus 60 plus y is equal to 180 degree, angle addition property. 110 plus y is equal to 180 degree. then y is equal to 180 minus 110 degree, then y is equal to 70 degree.